Hello guys, welcome to Clockwork. So I've just started up this brand new channel. This is the first video on it, and I'm going to be starting up a new series. And in this series, I'm going to hope to teach you how to use the Unity engine to make your very own games. So as you probably guessed, we are going to be using the Unity engine to do this, and we're going to be making games. So firstly, we want to know how to download it. So alright, I'm just going to show you how to download it here. So if I just go to Unity here, oh, that's a past search, 1 second. There we go. So, alright. So there'll be a link to the download in the description, but if you just go to unity3d.com, products here, and then you want to get Unity here, just where it says there, get Unity. Now, depending on when you're watching this, it could look a bit different. It could have a different UI layout, and there are 3 plans. I recommend you just go with personal free because it's free, but you want to be careful that you want to be wary that you can't use personal for everything. So, for example, if you look at the things here, you can only use this one here if you're earning less than 100,000 a year, and this one if you're less than 200,000 a year. So if you're earning over 100,000 a year, which you probably not be earning immediately as you get it, so you can just go free. But you just want to know that you might need to get this $25 plus, or if you earn over 200,000 a year, then you have to go pro, which is $125 a month. And really, apart from the earning cap, there isn't much difference between them. There's not much, because if you look here, personal has all of the core engine features. So basically what you want to do is you just want to click try personal. Here we go. You want to set the terms and conditions, and then you'll download it for Windows, or if you're on Mac, you can there's a link just down here which you can click on to get to Mac, and I have all of the links down in the description. And basically you just download the installer, and then it'll be downloading. Now I've already got it, but so I'm just going to cancel that download. But once it's downloaded, you just want to run the installer. You can just go over all the default settings; they don't really change much. And then once you've got to that, you can just come over to here, and it will usually just create a shortcut on your desktop, and you just click here, and it will start up. When it starts up, right. Yeah, it takes a while to start up Unity, which is annoying, but I guess that's the thing. Probably because I've also not got an SSD. I've only got a hard drive, so it's not very fast for me to start it up. But once it loads, you should see a few things. Come on, Unity. Here we go. All right. So here we go. So in the top, you've got the top bar here, there's project and there's learn, and then learn, it will just have a few sort of things that you can sort of learn some extra stuff, but you probably won't need to use that. So if you just click on projects at the top here, now also you're going to want to sign in. So I should have said that first, but firstly you're going to have to, there'll be a way to sign in, and you need to make an account, and then yeah, so you need to make an account, and then with that account, and then once you've logged in, you'll see this, and basically that you can store them in the cloud, but we won't be doing that on this course here. And basically, if you just want to start a new one, you see the top little thing here, you just click new, and then if you want to open a previous one, you can either click on the open here, and basically it'll take you into something like this, and then you can go and find where you stored it. However, if you haven't moved it, it should be here in this list here. So anyway, we're just going to create a new project, and we're just going to call this. You can call it whatever you want. I'm just going to call it game, or just tutorial. Oh, what am I going to call it? Here we go. Right, YouTube tutorial game 1. There we go. Alright, because we're going to get into making games as soon as possible. Because we don't want to be waiting around at all. We just want to be making games, don't we? So, here, 3D, 2D. Doesn't make much of a difference, but we're going to be doing this 2D. Don't worry if you've already clicked 3D and created the project, because that doesn't really matter. I mean, you can enable Unity Analytics or not, doesn't make much of a difference. and then basically you just want to click create project, and once you create that, it's going to be making lots of files. You know, it takes a while to load again because my laptop isn't massively fast, and I'm recording, which probably slows it down as well. So come on. Okay, also, so the videos, I'm going to try to keep them less than 15 minutes long at max, but I won't make them too short either. So more than 5 minutes, less than 15 minutes, but I'm going to try to not make them super long. Like, I don't want any 20, 30-minute videos, just because, I mean, for people watching, that must start to get a bit boring after that. And so I'm going to keep it in short, relatively short videos, probably around 10 minutes on the average video. Anyway, looks like this is almost loaded. Come on, Unity. I ought to get a better laptop. Guess this is a bit slow. Here we go. Alright, so you'll probably immediately be, I mean, you know, there's a lot of stuff here, but do not worry. I'm gonna be ending this episode here, and in the next episode, I'm gonna start showing you around the Unity editor, and so you can sort of start to make sense of all of this stuff that's happening on the screen, because there's a lot. So I hope you enjoyed. Make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and watch the rest of the videos. This is Clockwork, and have a nice day.